We forgive evil. We do not excuse it. We look evil in its face and let its horror shock and enrage us. But only then do we forgive it. But there will be no forgiveness for all of you. The aftermath is upon us. And you will pay.